Welcome back everyone. What an unusual way to start today's video. We have today our camera crew, Mo. Show yourself, Mo. And we are on our way to the start of a special tour, the Zoute Grand Prix. And I will see you guys there. And here we have the Lamborghini Gallardo Superleggera LP 510 for our light in the dust. And here we have the new Alpine. Looking sick. We already have quite the lineup here. McLaren 675 LT. It's sick. And then over here, Speed Legend Mercedes. No roof. GT3 over here, Huracan AMG GTR, a sick green color. For the Huracan, the new e-tron, and yeah, a lot more. Time for a quick stop, and then we are heading to the casino. To be fair, this Golf do be looking beautiful today. More with the clutch.
Wat mij wil als het even
Thanks, thanks. Good morning everyone, welcome back. It's day 2, it's another day, and we are heading to Knokkeheist. Man, it's so dusty today. You can barely see anything. I always like this acceleration. Come on, it's always the Volkswagen. It's like we are driving to nowhere. I like nowhere, so let's go on an adventure. First one from today is an F8 Tributo. Man, Knokke is on fire. Look at this Nissan GTR. G-Class and then just casual, the GTR. Good morning, beauties. All the way from Antwerp. We know this one. Ferrari 48 Pista. SF90 Stradale MG GTR and the SV. A sick combo. So guys, I have a question. Should we buy a car? This 812 GTS is also really sick. Look at those matte finish touch. And the Italian flag. Just take another look to appreciate the beauty of this car. A lot of carbon fiber options on the back. It's insane. And then just casual, another GTR. And it's sick. Like, yeah, yellow. Classic car spotting. And here we have the all-new Maserati MC20. Sadly, they didn't take notes for the number plate, but still, this car looks unreal. Coming back to my point of should I buy a car? Well, I guess the answer is no, because I'm still just 18 years old and financial, that's not a smart decision. If you look at this scenario, I'm driving my mom's car, which I don't have to pay for gas, insurance and everything. So this is actually a win-win for me. So I guess I will stay with this scenario for a few more months. And here we have the Lamborghini Huracan Performante. And just look at all those forced carbon fiber. It's massive spaceship exhaust. You can clean. $570. I drove one of those.